Hello, namaste, and a warm welcome to Eat, Cook and Love. Today we got something truly special lined up for you all. Someone who doesn't only entertain us but also moves our soul, whose fantastic work has been making waves and touching our hearts. We are not only going to cook a recipe with our guests today, but dive deep into their creative journey, the stories behind the sound, and everything in between. So Shekhar, I'm genuinely honored to have you on our show here today for more than one reason. And how have you been today?
I've been very good. Thank you for having me on your show.
Thank you so much for coming.
Eat, Cook and Love by Sheetal Vanjari.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm here early in the morning only for you.
Oh, lovely. It means so much to me. So much to me. Now, before we start, I'm going to share this one little thing. You know, we start our shoot every time. My entire team knows that.
Right.
With playing the Hanuman Chalisa.
Oh, wow.
And the Shekhar Ravjiani version of Hanuman Chalisa is what we play. So you have that soul in that sound, your voice, and every time I'm like jittery or I'm happy or excited, it is my Hanuman Chalisa. So you are.
It does the same to me also. Yeah. It does the same to me. I think I'm blessed that he chose me to kind of sing this Hanuman Chalisa, which has a very strong effect on everyone across the world.
Yes.
And I'm really blessed for that.
Yes, and he chose you for a reason, which we all know. Okay, you've done such a fabulous job with that. Now, what are we cooking today?
Well, we're making my mom's recipe, which is the Mexican rice. I have some crazy memories of Mexican rice. You know, when you think about food, you always think about the smell, the smell of
aroma.
The aroma of that thing. And you know, and I remember mom making it, and I know that she's making Mexican rice. So there's a certain connect with your palate, your nose, the sensation of that smell going into your heart and your brain, and then you know that this is a thing which she's making. And all my friends used to love her Mexican rice. So yesterday I told Chaya, my wife, that please give me the recipe. So she gave me a recipe of that thing, which my mom has shared with her over the last 25 years. That page which I sent you is almost 25 years.
I know, it's handwritten. That's how I used to write my recipes.
It's 25 years old, that thing.
And I feel so blessed you've shared that with me, and now we're going to share that recipe with everybody here.
Yeah.
And when you...
So, I don't know how good we'll make it. She'll make it really well, but I might just destroy it completely.
You do everything so well कि आप आँख बंद करके भी बनाओगे ना तो वो सही बन जाएगा.
So I hope
इतना
so.
तो है.
I
You
hope
are
so.
blessed.
I've never made this in my life. I've never seen her making it. I've only eaten it.
But your senses, you recognize that
I know
aroma.
the smell.
You know that.
I know the smell. Yeah.
स्कूल से भागते हुए आओ दरवाजे पे ही वो smell.
No, मेरे दोस्तों के लिए लेके जाओ. I used to take it for my friends. She used to pack it.
Wonderful.
Yeah, if all the Kambala Hill friends of mine are watching this show, then I have to tell them that this is exactly what my mom used to give you guys, and you guys used to love it.
Wonderful. I'm coming to have that mum ke haath ka
Oh my God, that is next level completely.
Yes, absolutely. So can we begin with that while we start?
Okay.
That's oil.
Okay.
You can start with.
All right. So oil to start with. Just make me stop, yeah, because
Stop. You can stop.
Okay.
And we can add in some butter.
I don't know if my mom adds butter, but butter is a good idea.
Yes.
Always a good idea.
And
Wow.
while this is heating, tell me about your journey, Shekhar. When did you begin? How old were you? How young were you?
Well, so when Mexican rice was happening in my my kitchen, and again, you know, as I said, when food is happening and music is happening, there's a combination of everything together, and it's a sensation of sound and food and smell and all those sensations. So this plays a very important part of my life.
Absolutely. And creative people are foodies because their senses are
foodies,
so...
and we kind of like food is all we've got. You know, it's like
Absolutely.
all musicians are actually, it's all about food, and it's all about
absolutely. I agree. So now
having the right food, ordering the right food, eating the right food.
you have surely eaten the right food. It's showing.
And then and being inspired by the food
yes, absolutely.
to make great music.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
You belong to a family of your father, mother, both into music, right?
No, so mom and dad. So dad plays the accordion. He's a really, really good player.
Yes.
Never played professionally, but always had that passion. And he's my teacher. He's taught me.
Wonderful.
He's taught me. My mom, she's a very good singer, but only for herself. She's a homemaker,
Yes.
and she's a fantastic mother.
Yes.
And she's put in all the best qualities in me
Yes.
and made me who I am today.
Yes.
So I think mom and dad से music बहुत आया है. Listening to music from all across the world.
Correct.
Jagjit ji, my mentor, who I have kind of learned from and heard so many times. My music used to be Jagjit Singh's music.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And when he used to come home, he used to eat. He used to tell my mom, Kusum, मेरे लिए तुम कढ़ाई पनीर बनाओ. और अगर Mexican rice है तो वो भी खाऊंगा मैं.
Wow. Wow, that's so wonderful.
Yeah.
And because your mom and dad have been such good musicians and fond of music, you are an extension of them. And thank you, mom and dad, because of
Thank
what
you.
we have Shekhar Rabjiani.
Yes, and mom, I'm making this
Yes.
recipe. Don't
so
kill
you
me.
all created him,
Wow.
and therefore we can hear such amazing use.
So we need to toss this till it becomes brown.
Yes.
I remember
so
that.
we
at least.
make the onions brown.
Brown.
Now, when you go back home, you will make this.
Yeah,
for
I will
your
be
mom.
making this for everybody.
Yes, that's going to be so wonderful.
And then they're going to order food from outside.
Not at all. Not at all. We'll make sure. So you started your music journey in your teenage, right? You
Yeah,
were really
yeah. And I was really-
jingles and ads.
I used to do ads at the age of 15, 16 I started. I was kind of pretty much the youngest musician back then, where I went into a recording studio, got my first job as a composer, as a singer at the age of 15, 16, and then I decided to make an album. All that stuff happened during that time. Yeah, it was quite a journey.
And how did Bollywood happen?
Bollywood happened because you know Raj Kaushal, right?
Yes,
Raj and
yes,
Mandira.
yes.
So Raj was making his first film. He was assisting Mukul Anand,
Okay.
and
Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi.
Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi. All new cast, new people in it, right? And he wanted new, fresh music. So he told me, Shekhar, will you do 2 songs? I said, yes, I'll do 2 songs. And then there were other music directors also. I didn't know who the music directors were, but Vishal was one of them. Vishal, Shiraz, and Samrat were working together.
And that's where you
And
met.
then Salim Suleiman were doing.
Okay.
So they were also kind of doing one song in the film.
Right.
So it was a mix of all together. And then I met Vishal out there. Vishal was a friend of mine before we kind of met in the studio, and so we played each other our songs, and immediately after that we were like, "Chale, साथ में करते हैं, मजा आएगा."
Wonderful.
But like a साथ में करते हैं, just a casual thing became like the real
A
thing,
long journey.
a real thing, and it's been 25 years
Yes.
of us together
And 60
in making.
odd films for Bollywood?
Yeah, 60 films and close to about 450 songs.
It is incredible, and every film you name a Shekhar, a Vishal movie, and you know what? How people look forward to music director, movie directors and production houses for inka picture aa raha hai, unka picture. I think we look forward to Vishal Shekhar ka music picture kab aa raha hai, you know, like that kind of thing. Because you guys also, I believe, unlike others, you all do entire films. So it's a whole, like, you know, a whole drama happens there.
Yeah.
So there is
It's fun doing an entire film.
progression and
Means at least you're close to the film, so you know you every situation is important for
Yes,
you. Every
yes.
situation is you need to do justice to it.
Correct.
You know, make sure that the director is happy with his vision,
Yes.
what he set for the film,
Yes.
and deliver that kind of music. So Vishal and I always feel that it's best to do the entire soundtrack.
Yes, and you're completely involved in the
Involved
entire
in it.
process.
Absolutely.
That is what happens, and that is the beauty, and that shows.
And also the world should know about this, that her husband, Jackie Vanjari, is one of the finest musicians in the world. I will not say in India, but in the world.
Thank
And
you so much.
He's produced
Thank you so
so many songs for us. He's done Om Shanti Om for us. He's done Dostana for
Yes.
us. He's done some great
Such a-
soundtracks for us. And he's a music producer, composer, and he's one of my favorites. And
You are our favorite. My entire family, Vishal, Shekhar is like, and Shekhar, apart from the lovely music that he creates and the lovely stuff that he does, you're so kind, you're so humble, you're so soft-spoken, you're so helpful. I mean, when
And now I'm a good
somebody
cook.
is with, you are a good cook, because when you have all those qualities, इतना qualities लेके आदमी कितना भारी होता है ना, weight
बहुत भारी
कितना
होता है. I'm
सारा,
telling you, it's
कितना
very
responsibility.
lot of responsibility.
But you're doing such a fabulous, you're such an inspiration to so
Oh,
many
no, I'm just like-
young kids also want
As I
to
said,
become.
I'm kind of blessed
Absolutely.
that I have music in my life.
And you also are involved with a music academy now with this affiliate.
Yeah, I started a school called the GIIS, Shekhar Rafjani School of Music. So the headquarters are in Singapore, and we have 65 campuses all across the world.
Right.
In Japan, Abu Dhabi, Dubai,
Right.
all
Right.
over the place. And we have some amazing students
Right.
of music, and they kind of want to take this up professionally. So we have a whole mentorship program for them. And I visit about 4 or 5 times a year. I kind of do a lot of Zoom sessions with them. I have a whole team who does Zoom sessions with them regularly. And 2 singers from the school, students, actually debuted with 2 songs of mine from Garud Music. That's my record label.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so I started a record label also 2 years ago.
Yes, yes.
So like 2 girls,
Yeah.
one from Abu Dhabi and another one from Singapore. Both of them actually sang their first song with me on my label.
Yeah, it must be
So-
such an experience to have you as a mentor and a guru for them.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yes, onions are brown. and we
Onions are nice and brown. We're going
And
to add some garlic.
garlic to it.
Chopped garlic.
Perfect.
We Indians like, it's so amazing.
I was
that-
completely garlic and onion free for a few months because my manager on tour, he's Jain
Okay.
and he lives in Ahmedabad.
Uh-huh.
So he said something amazing to me, right?
Yeah.
So he said, आप कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो या कोई भी होटल में जाते हो और आप जैन बोलते हो ना, तो वो किचन को आपके लिए फ्रेश प्रिपेयर करना ही पड़ेगा,
Correct.
क्योंकि अनियन गार्लिक वाली चीजें तो ऑलरेडी रेडी होती है,
Correct.
right? So you'll get fresh food all the time.
Correct.
So for almost 2-3 months I was Jain completely,
Oh,
like the
that's-
onion free
But
like
you mustn't have missed, because Jain cuisine is.
you know how it's so tasty.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Without onion and garlic is more taste. You can taste the
It is.
turmeric. You can taste the mirchi. All of
Flavors
the
of that.
flavor,
Yeah, correct.
ginger,
Correct.
onion and garlic. They actually take over
Everything.
every other.
Yeah, that's
kind
why
of,
we Indian like everything so
सब कुछ डालो अंदर.
हाँ. But in spite of the geographical distance between Mexico and India, there is so much similarity in our food.
There is, but when they see this, they'll be like, "ये क्या है?"
Yeah, but like our spices, the lentils, the
Yeah.
rotis, wraps, and they have this crazy culture for street food like us chaat
Yeah.
and all of that.
But I think our Desi Chinese is the best Chinese in the world.
So see all the garlic and all the masala food is.
But Desi garlic is like that Desi Chinese when you go and eat on.
कुछ और ही है ना. हाँ.
It is the most amazing. You can never get that taste. That
Correct.
I don't know.
I agree.
There's something to it. There's
I
something.
agree with
It itself is a new kind of
Yeah.
genre. You know what I'm saying?
And we are so versatile
Yeah.
in our eating habits, our palates. We will go to a fine dining place that has bland Chinese cuisine and enjoy that. Next day, we will go and have Desi Chinese,
No,
and we'll be like, "Oh my God, this
I've
is
actually done this. Huh?
we all do
I've
that.
gone to this very famous restaurant. I will not name it, otherwise they will stop my entry out there. In a 5-star hotel, okay, they serve Chinese food out there. So I've eaten there, and then after eating there, I've driven back. I was like, एक काम करते हैं यहाँ से मैं ट्रिपल सेजवान उठा लेता हूँ.
That is the thing. We are so versatile in our taste. That is. Now
Okay.
our garlic is also cooked here.
Okay,
Okay. So we are going to add these bell peppers
Perfect.
that we have.
perfect.
You can add all of them.
Okay. All of it? Okay.
Yes, we can add all of them.
Sheetal, you cook really well, yeah, at home, and I've been hearing so much about your cooking at
हाँ,
home.
मतलब अभी हमारा जॉब, प्रोफेशन, हॉबी, सब कुछ पैशन, सब कुछ वही है. So growing up,
Jackie always talks about your food,
family.
But why is he so thin, being your husband? You cook great food. He should be fat, na?
नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि only fat people eat. Thin people eat more. But it's just that they're so disciplined throughout that वो हक से खाते हैं. जिस दिन खाते हैं उस दिन 10 गुलाब जामुन भी खा लेंगे. Like I can eat a tub of ice cream. Really? I will call these sugar-free ice creams and enjoy that. And then one of time, Baskin Robbins, it's my favorite. I shouldn't take name, but oh my god, I can go and have.
But sugar-free खाने में मजा आता है क्या? I think little sugar.
At least कुछ तो
sugar होना चाहिए जिंदगी में.
फिर जाके वो उधर जाके वो sugar वाला.
Sugar should be a part of it.
गाजर का हलवा भी. So it's like. So we just wait for these peppers to soften. We can also add the tomatoes.
But isn't it better if it's like a little crispy?
Yes.
It's better,
we'll
right?
keep it a little crispy.
Yeah. Oh wow, it looks great already.
Yes, right?
You made this, I haven't made this.
No, it's your recipe that I'm following. Hello, I don't know anything, guys. I'm following Mom's recipe. She is the best.
This is Kusum Rajani's recipe.
Trying. Now, Shekhar has to just,
eat.
It doesn't smell like that.
Eat and serve.
So tell me when the aroma is different. Huh? Then you say, "Acha, nahi, aisa nahi, ye correct hai." Okay, so this is what we are adding.
We're getting close to the aroma. Let's put it that way.
We're getting close. Okay, fine, perfect. Fine tuning आप करो.
Okay.
तो आप कितना अच्छी तरह ना सुर मिलाते हो. So we add some salt in here now at this stage. We will also add some red chili powder.
Nice.
Alright. And like Mom said, soy sauce.
Soy sauce in it, yeah.
Important here.
Wow.
Now you can stir
This is something.
This is something. And like
The
she
memories
said, the
are-
cabbage.
Perfect.
It's looking
This actually-
so good.
yeah, it's actually
it is
looking good.
really looking so fabulous. This is like कुछ रंगोली बन रही है.
ये पैक करके जैकी के लिए लेके जाना.
हाँ.
नहीं खाएगा वो.
For sure. खाएगा. क्यों नहीं?
खाएगा?
Vegetarian ना?
1 spoon ही.
हाँ. 1 spoon नहीं. And then she also said baked beans.
Yes,
Remember
that's
this,
very
right?
important.
That's
Yeah,
main
that's very important. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
perfect. Okay,
We're getting there.
we're getting there. This is purple cabbage, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Nice. Did we add salt? We did.
We did add the
Okay,
salt.
perfect.
So we just allow
Perfect,
this
perfect,
to
perfect,
cook
perfect,
a little before we put in the rice.
Perfect.
She also added some
That's on top, no?
spring onions. Okay, we'll add it on top. See, he knows all the steps.
I know a little
he
bit
knows
of
the aroma, he knows how it looks, he knows how it sounds. So that is what creative people are. All the
शीतल के
sense.
शो करने के बाद मेरे घर पे छुट्टी होने वाली है और नहीं एक्चुअली शेफ की
छुट्टी नहीं
शेफ की छुट्टी हो जाएगी मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा.
Correct. But cooking is such a de-stressor, na? And it all looks complicated. But when you get to that, it's like, yeah, sab dalo.
I love cooking Maggie at home. Yeah.
But that's also so amazing. You make your version of
I make my
Maggi.
version of Maggi.
Shekhar Rabjiani. Okay,
Next time
Shekhar Rabjiani's Maggi.
Season 2, I'm making Maggie.
Yes, wonderful, guys. The Maggi. Maggi to jitna
My Maggie is
karo-
actually one of the best Maggies. Like people come
Really?
home to eat my Maggie
Oh, okay. See,
because I give them full hardcore masala Maggie.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
So now we're going to add in
rice.
the rice. While we do that,
You know what amazes me is how do you figure out quantities here?
so I want to answer that question and really honestly. Now you can start stirring.
Yeah, it's how do you do this? Because sometimes it needs to be the right quantity of rice, right quantity of gravy, everything. You know?
Yeah. So I truly feel that I've never followed quantity. You know, it's only ingredients.
No,
और इतना खाया है ना कि इतना
So I don't mean quantity. I mean how do you measurement of how much needs
Nothing
to be.
measurement. जो दिखता है दिल से डालो सही
डालो
बनेगा.
बाद में देखेंगे
हाँ.
like that. अच्छा.
प्यार से पकाओ.
Okay, we're getting close to the.
Yes. So hot kitchen, like we say, unlike pastries or cakes, it is more rustic. It's like on the chef's flavors also. Like
okay.
sometimes if you like spicy more, you like certain ingredients more, you like the cabbage more. There's no rocket science. So itna hi dalo jitna dalna hai. Taste karke dekh lo.
Correct. Okay.
You know, this is looking so lovely.
This looks okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let this cook for some time.
Yes, absolutely. And we will just cover it for some time. And I want to know more about your experience in Bollywood. How has it been? The 25 long years in Bollywood.
Right.
How have your experience been?
But it's been fun. It's been fun. It's a lot of love and admiration and recognition.
Absolutely.
And you're a part of everyone's playlist. So
Yes. Yes.
what else would you want? I think as a musician, you want to be on their
Yes.
playlist. You want to be their favorite artist. You want, when you see them at concerts, when an artist sees their fans coming for the concerts and sing, your songs along with you. So I think it's just one of the most beautiful feelings in the world.
Yeah.
So as I said, I feel very blessed every single day. I feel really happy that this happened to me. I feel happy that the last 25 years has been very exciting, and every journey has a lot of ups and downs.
Correct.
Every journey has a lot
I'm
of
sure.
speed breakers.
Yes.
Every journey is, every day is a new day.
Yeah. And how did you train yourself, or how did you take care of the speed breakers? Because that is, everybody knows that when all is
So a lot of speed breakers don't really need to be from outside. There are speed breakers within you.
Correct.
There's a lot of weakness inside you which you need to kind of make it stronger.
Right. Correct.
There are a lot of things which I felt that I was poor at, but then I got average, then I got good, and then I got better, and then I'm the best.
Yes.
So
Like correcting yourself every day.
I'm my own mark sheet.
Yeah.
So I have a thing of measuring myself at all times.
Yes.
That
How beautiful.
that I always aim to be the best at
Right.
whatever I start doing,
Right. Right.
or whatever I don't have naturally.
Right. Right.
Organically, whatever's there in me, which people see it as the strength, but for me is the next step. Okay, I have this, what do I do next?
Right. Right.
So when I'm doing something next, or making a song which is different, or maybe if it's like so I'm inherently very simple as a person, as a human being. Okay, I don't understand the noise and the complexity of the world.
Correct. Yes.
I don't understand that.
Yes.
The chaos I don't understand.
Correct.
But then preparing myself for the chaos and shielding myself
Yes.
is something which I had to develop over the last
Yes.
25 years.
Yes.
Not being affected,
Yes.
being more strong,
Yes.
but still having my love for music very close to my heart. So all these things, there's a personal battle.
Correct. Correct.
But I should say that the last 25 years has been, I won't call it a battle with the world, but it was a battle with myself which I won
Wow. Wow.
very strongly.
Wow.
So I won that battle, and now I'm going to start another battle. These are battles I want to start.
Yes.
I want to
Yes.
try and do something I've never
Yes.
done before.
Yes.
I want to try and make sure that I challenge myself again for something.
So you can overcome.
I'm
and
never
then win that
I'm
as
never
well.
satisfied.
Yes. That is.
Every day I want to start something new. I want to do something
Yes.
new, and that kind of motivates me to kind of really push myself
Correct.
beyond.
Correct. And I certainly feel that challenges will come, situations will happen.
Yeah.
You have to be prepared for everything.
Yeah,
And that is what we have come here, right? To train, evolve, and to just get a better version of ourselves. Tell me about your concerts. You mentioned about your concert. I would think that Shekhar is very soft-spoken, shy. The Shekhar. And I've seen his concerts, and he is incredible.
I was.
What happens there?
Sheetal, I was trying to tell someone a couple of days back, right, that I was a boy, a shy boy in class, who would kind of come back home and listen to Jagjit Singh. And in the evening with my friends, go out raging in a club. So I had kind of multiple kind of personalities in, like I would do everything. I would listen to EDM dance music, house music.
Right.
At the same time, I would listen to peaceful music, do my riyaz,
Yes.
sing Rag Yaman in the morning.
Yes.
In the night, I'm kind of partying away somewhere, enjoying that kind of music.
Yeah.
So mix of both worlds together.
Yeah. So that's
And
why
today
it's
also, if
versatile.
if I seem to look like a shy person or very quiet person, I am like that. But you put me on stage and I'm a monster out there.
Yes. Because
Like,
you've
I'm-
prepared yourself, ready
So
yourself.
so this is how I was, and this is how I am. With a certain kind of people, I get along a lot with people older to me,
Right. Yeah.
like the age of 60,
Yeah.
70.
Yeah.
I have very
Yeah.
evolved conversations with those
Yes.
people,
Yes.
like very intellectual, intelligent conversations
Right.
with those people. But at the same time, you put me with some 16-year-olds,
Yeah. And you'll be good.
I'll be fine with
Yeah.
them. They'll find me to be super energetic
Yeah.
and super fun.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So I had that in me. And then I think that comes out on stage also. When I'm on
Yes,
stage,
absolutely.
I'm like a 16-year-old bouncing around.
Yes,
Like
absolutely.
Jackie must have told you how high I jump.
Absolutely, I've seen you. And in fact, even in your song, one of my favorite is Rang.
Oh, Rang, yeah.
Oh my God. When Rang released, I would listen to it like 20, 25 times. I swear on phone here, man. It's just something else.
Rang is a beautiful song.
It's so beautiful.
It's a pandemic baby.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
You've also sang Marathi songs like
Yeah.
Sajni.
Sazni.
Sazni. See, he pronounces it better than me, guys.
Sazni, Savli. Then I have a song which won an award for Z Gaurav Puraskar. It's a very, very big Puraskar. Like it's
Wonderful.
like one of those Grammys of Maharashtra.
Yeah,
basically.
and how did you get
And
that accent?
A song called Haravli Pakre, which I sang.
Look at his words. How do you get that accent? I mean, you worked.
All thanks to
hard.
friends like Ravi Yadav and all these people, Papal, Makaran Manek,
but
all these people. Yeah, I get to all some friends of mine were Maharashtrian. So, and also I was, for the first 4 or 5 years of my life, I was in Nashik.
Oh, okay. Yes, so you did have that on
And I was very familiar with the sound,
how they
and that I
told.
memorized the sound of it.
Correct.
Then it became easier
Sound
for me.
master.
Sound
that
master.
You are. Absolutely. I understand. A Telugu song as well.
I've sung Telugu, Tamil,
Bengali.
everything, Bengali,
हाँ. गुजराती
संग-
गाना नहीं किया ना
Gujarati गाना.
कच्ची
कच्ची-
मारेंगे ना बोलोगे तो अभी next करना
Kachi nahi
पड़ेगा।
kiya. Gujarati I've sung. Gujarati I've sung many songs, film songs.
Okay.
They've done really well.
Alright.
And I think Kachi I wanted to explore something, but very soon I'm going to explore.
You must.
We have
waiting to hear that.
our dhol players, Mr. Iqbal Azad. He's from Kutch, and he was telling me about Kutchi music, which is so big and popular. And he said I should kind of really make some Kutchi songs.
You must.
So I might make
You
some
must.
Kutchi
Yes,
songs.
son.
How is it looking?
It's looking out of the world.
Yeah.
It's truly, we are also going to plate this now. Okay, so we have our Mexican rice here. And it's looking so amazing.
Yeah.
Shekhar Ravjiani.
You made it, Sheetal.
I made it, no. Not without you, Shekhar.
Nice.
You were the music director.
Yeah.
So I was just sous chef, following instructions. Okay. And we just pull this up. We can garnish this with some spring onions,
Perfect.
as Mom mentioned, and some coriander.
Looks great.
Wow! And some jalapenos.
This is dressing it up so well.
And then we can put some sour cream. And we have these Doritos. We can just break them and put them on the side.
That's a great combination. I've never tried that. I should try it.
Yes.
Crush it into the Mexican rice.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Looks great.
Yes. We also have some salsa sauce here,
Oh,
guys.
okay.
We can put that on top on the Doritos. So whoever wants to eat it. And here we go.
Yeah. We have a dish.
You have like a pet shelter, a home for pets.
No, I want one actually. I don't have
Oh,
one
okay.
because I have. So my farmhouse, 4 dogs have adopted me.
Okay,
And
4 dogs have adopted
They've
you.
adopted me.
Wonderful.
And so I'm very close to them, and they came home when they were about 3 months, 4 months old. Now they're all 5, 6 years old.
Wow.
I've got 4 of them.
Wow.
And I'm manifesting that very soon I have a very big place, a beautiful home
Yes.
for lots and lots of dogs and cats.
Wow. We're going to pray for that as well.
Thank you.
And you also treat them. I believe that you heal them, treat them, give them medication and all of that. You've had some experiences like that where you found a pet who was Akira, if I'm not
Akira,
wrong.
yeah, Akira was Akira. She came to me when just during the pandemic, very hurt and bleeding on the road, and no vet was kind of available because of the corona
Yeah.
issues, and I had to kind of request one vet in Pune to kind of open up their clinic. So they did that and treated Akira immediately. And then Akira decided to adopt me
Wonderful.
and then came home.
Wonderful.
And it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Part of the
What
family.
a soul, na? Like pets का भी ख्याल, हम सबका भी ख्याल, इतना अच्छा music बना
मैं cook बन
के,
गया,
like,
यहाँ chef बन गया.
Like, so amazing. I will not let you go, Shekhar, without you singing something for us on this show.
Okay.
It's not going to be fair.
Okay.
So whatever you wish to.
So I'll sing Zeh Naseeb.
Whatever.
Yeah, okay, I'll sing that song.
Wow.
This is for Eat, Cook and Love, and for Sheetal Banjari.
Thank you so much. That means
And
so much.
Sheetal is
So much.
family. Sheetal, Jackie,
Yes, of course.
and I have to definitely sing this song for her show.
Thank you.
And my song is like good wishes to your show.
Guys, this is such an emotional moment. Don't make me cry and all. I'm very emotional and all. Come on, how we go with your song?
So I'll sing. Zeh Naseeb, Zeh Naseeb, तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा, Zeh Naseeb, मेरे करीब, मेरे हबीब, तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा, Zeh Naseeb, तेरे संग बीते हर लम्हे पे हमको नाज है, तेरे संग जो न बीते उस पे एतराज है, इस कदर हम दोनों का मिलना एक राज है, हुआ अमीर दिल गरीब, तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा, Zeh Naseeb.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you
so much. Okay, so now we're going to have a little quiz with Shekhar.
I'm nervous.
Yes. So, if you had to cook a dish for your favorite Ilaiyaraaja sir,
Okay.
yes, what would that dish be?
Maggie. No, I really make that.
Wonderful.
I make it really well. He'll like it. He'll like
I'm
it.
sure.
I'm going to give you
taking
some weird
very
answers also,
seriously.
yeah.
No, we want the real answer.
Real
and that's
answers,
what,
real
But
answers.
Maggie, अच्छी
But
तरह
very,
जो
very
दोस्त बनाता
interesting.
है ना वो हमेशा का दोस्त है.
अच्छी तरह से बनाऊंगा मैं.
Yeah, wonderful.
I love his music. So.
Yes, wonderful. And your go-to snack during a music deadline?
Music deadline. It's not a snack, it's a meal. I'm so nervous.
meal.
I need to eat
Yeah,
everything.
meal.
Desi Chinese.
Oh, Oh wow.
Always.
Wonderful.
Always.
Now, favorite food or ingredient that you cannot do without?
Ginger, actually. Ginger and pepper.
Oh, you're very fond.
I like ginger
Lovely.
and pepper. I like
That's nice.
There's something about, and my mom sends me the full pepper,
Correct.
which is actually marinated in lemon juice, I think.
Oh, is it?
And yeah, so when you remove, and so my mouth is watering.
Ah,
So when you remove it
my
from,
mouth is
when you enter, the whole stem comes up with lots of peppers in it,
Okay.
and there's a little lemon water in it. So you just have a bite of it, and it's just like too good.
Okay, so next time Maggie and this recipe also learn it. Okay, coffee before composing or chai before recording?
So I gave up coffee.
Okay.
That's so about 6 months back.
Okay.
I used to have 6 to 7 Americanos a day.
Oh.
And then I decided I'm not going to have coffee. It's too much.
Okay.
And now I am not drinking
A
coffee
chai
anymore.
person.
I am a green tea person. now.
Green tea person. Wonderful.
And sometimes masala chai.
Lovely.
If I go to some place and that
Gujarati घर का मसाला
means
चाय
वो smell ऐसा है ना कि you can't resist it. You have to like
Absolute. I'm a chai person too. So, pav bhaji or pasta? What is your remix worthy dish?
pav bhaji.
Or a dish?
पास्ता मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आता.
नहीं आया ना? हाँ, same. A dish or ingredient that should never be eaten before recording session.
I eat everything.
Yeah?
Every-
Nothing
yeah,
in
yeah,
particular.
nothing.
Garlic नहीं.
नहीं, सब कुछ.
प्याज नहीं.
सब कुछ.
हाँ, सब कुछ. Okay.
You need to be happy, na? When you're
Yeah,
just
yeah,
about
yeah.
just
You
eat
know
whatever.
what?
Eat whatever needs to happen.
Absolutely. A dish according to you that deserves Grammy.
Grammy.
Yeah. मतलब
Dish.
ऐसा हाँ ऐसा फूड ग्रैमी होगा
हाँ.
तो कौन सा किसको आप ग्रैमी अवार्ड दोगे?
माँ के हाथ का खाना.
हाँ. Oh my God.
Best answer so
This
far.
is the best answer so far.
Do I get a gift?
You're such a million. I mean,
Do I get a gift?
such a mama son. You absolutely deserve a gift and more. So.
No, I didn't mean that gift. I was saying, what gift are you giving me from here? Some food items.
Food क्या? This is related to your
Oh, so
kitchen. You will use it in your kitchen.
okay.
It's fabulous.
Oh, wow.
You will love it. This
Thank
is
you.
for you, Shekhar.
Thank you, Sheetal.
And,
this is too much. Why did you do this?
This is a pleasure. This
Alright.
is just a takeaway from us. So
Thank
you will
you.
remember us every day.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming on
Thank
our
you,
show,
Sheetal.
Shekhar. It means so much to me, and you have just been so fabulous. I am very emotionally overwhelmed, thankful, grateful for every minute of your pressure. I know you have been on the run, this couple. Even now, he's going to his studio and people are waiting for him. But he made time, woke up, and came straight here to do this for
As
all
I said, anything for
of
family.
us. Anything for family, anything for you guys, because you all are his family, right? So here we go. Eat, cook, love, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.